QMS Certification Services. What is QMS? Quality Management System is an organized process and method wrapping all characteristics of design, supply, risk management and manufacturing. QMS certification is the basic regulatory requirements, which improves the product quality and assures ISO and FDA agreement. QMS certification services include QMS certification training, layout designs, manufacturing and post-market support, and auditing. We provide the following QMS certification services to manufacturers. US FDA 21 CFR Part 820 Quality System Regulations, 21 CFR Part 210 and 211 Quality Assurance, ISO 13485 Certification, ISO 15378 Certification. Contact us. www.operonstrategist.com. QMS